हेलो फ्रेंड्स एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल आरजे जसनूर। सो इस वीडियो को स्टार्ट करने से पहले सबसे पहले ईद मुबारक टू द होल आरजे जसनूर फैमिली। Thank you so much everyone. Today we have reached the limit of 10,000 subscribers and I can't tell you आज मैं कितनी खुश हूँ। I'm extremely happy. I have no words. I'm right now on cloud 9. बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। Thank you so much everyone for all the support. आप लोगों ने मेरी वीडियोस पसंद करी, आप लोगों को कंटेंट अच्छा लगा। A lot of you even criticized at times and I'm really thankful for that also because उन criticisms की वजह से I've changed a lot, I've upgraded myself and I started my channel 2 years back on 4th April 2017 was when I created my channel and 7th April I uploaded my first video. एक गलती जो मैंने हमेशा करी है, I've never been consistent, आना जाना लगा रहा जिसकी वजह से probably the family is a little smaller but I'm sure we're going to be hitting 1 lakh subscribers very soon. But I'm really happy for all the support you have given me, for all the compassion that I get from you, compliments, comments, everything. Thank you so much everyone. Each and every member out of those 10,000 matters a lot to me. And one thing that I feel and I'm proud is कि एक भी comment मेरे channel पे ऐसा नहीं होता which I don't pay attention to. Every comment gets a heart, every comment gets a like, and also the answer to your questions. I'm always there. My social handles are there and you people contact me. मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगता है. So thank you so much. That is all I can say. Words are not enough to thank you all. This family is because of you. This channel is running because of you. Of course, I would not be making videos for myself. So thanks a lot, but don't worry. सिर्फ thank you से काम नहीं चलाऊंगी. आपने मेरी family इतनी बड़ी करी है. We have a family of 10,000 members. It means a lot to me. And इसके लिए मैं लेके आऊंगी एक बहुत ही superb challenge. That is going to be eating spicy. जो लोग मेरे को जानते हैं वो अच्छे से जानते हैं I don't eat spicy food at all. पर उस challenge के अंदर specially I will be eating the world's spiciest chip. That is the Jolo chip challenge. That is what I've already decided. कि जिस दिन मेरे 10,000 subscribers पूरे हो जाएंगे, I would want to do something. I would like to take a risk because मैं normally spices खाती ही नहीं हूँ, but that spice, that chili is 200 times more spicier than the normal chilies. वो challenge मैं करने वाली हूँ बहुत जल्दी सिर्फ आप सबके लिए. So thank you so much and I'm very sure आप लोगों को वो वीडियो भी पसंद आएगी, वो चैलेंज भी अच्छा लगेगा. एंड वट एवर कंटेंट यू वांट टू सी, मेरे चैनल पे बहुत सारे DIY वीडियोस आते हैं, क्राफ्ट वीडियोस आते हैं, सब वीडियोस रिलेटेड टू लाइफस्टाइल एंड मेकअप ऑल्सो. तो आप जो भी कंटेंट देखना चाहते हैं कमेंट करना ना भूलें. फॉर नाउ दिस इज आरजे जसनूर साइनिंग आउट एंड थैंक यू सो मच वंस अगेन. बाय बाय.